In this section, I'm going to use a pre-installed custom sort. Now in the data here, it's for a small airline company. There's countries down here and there's days of the week when these flights are available. Now the trouble is, I want this sorted, so basically I have Monday at the top there, going then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. Now the trouble is, if we do like a regular sort, like A to Z, it sorts them alphabetically. So instead of Monday, Tuesday, we have Friday, Monday, blah blah. And then if we sort the other direction, we've still got the same problem. So what we need to do is to use a special type of sort. So if I click here, if it wasn't already selected here, I would select day flights available. And where it says order, instead of A to Z or Z to A, what I want to do is I want to use a custom list sort. So if I click on here, by default Excel knows the days of the week and also the months of the year, and we got like an abbreviation and full version. So in this case I've got days of the week, the full version. So if I click here, it'll sort by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. So if I click on OK, there you are. So we've got flights for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday.